Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with the most important thing, which is the internet connection. It does not really matter whether you will use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, just make sure that you've got the connection. Then we can enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to simply scroll down to find software update. Let's simply tap on it. And now let's tap on download and install. As you can see, your device is checking for the updates. That's why we needed the internet connection. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and everything looks good, so there's nothing to do here. And the second scenario is where there is actually the update to download to your device. Will show you the information about it, so what has been fixed, what has been added, the name of the update, and all you have to do is to simply tap on install or download and your device will apply the software update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.